Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm drawing with my brother. Say hi.
Hi.
And today we're going to be drawing a piano. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first, you want to draw 2 lines. Just like that. Then connect the 2 lines by drawing another line. Just right. Good job. Now you're gonna draw 2 little lines. Very little. Can you draw that?
Yes.
Okay. Good job. Then you're gonna draw a little line that goes all the way like this. So that, a little bit more. Good job. Now you're gonna draw another line that goes like this, all the way to the other side, which here, gonna draw another line. Are you done?
Yes.
Now you're gonna draw a big line again. And you're gonna draw little things like this. Good job. All the way to the end. Then you're gonna draw lines like this. So it's like a piano. One of those techno pianos, electric pianos.
Wait for me.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
Yeah.
Are you almost done?
Yeah.
Here, let's fast forward that. Okay. Now that we have the keys done, we need to draw the buttons. So let's draw a rectangle here and some buttons.
I'm gonna color mine buttons.
Nice. Are you almost done?
Not yet. We need a little bit help.
Okay, here. You look done. Can you? Yeah, you're done. Can you play something on your piano?
Yes.